Why is the world today confronted with a crisis of availability of and access to fresh water resources? So the question is on fresh water and our directive is why. That means the question is asking reasons. Reasons for two things. The reason for crisis of availability and issue of accessibility to fresh water resources. So you have to stick with the directive only. Your main part of the question should be to write the reasons. So this you have to write. What you should not write? You should not write the impacts of freshwater crisis in general, or you should not write about the solutions in detail. These all things are not required, and even if you write, you should write in the conclusion for the solutions. Impacts not needed. If you have to write, you have to write in 2-3 lines only. That's it. So this will be your basic structure of the body. Now, coming to the introduction. Since the question is on crisis related to freshwater resources, you can provide any data related to freshwater availability or any United Nations report. Coming to the conclusion part. So as we have done in the question of food security, we related food security, climate change and tropical countries. So same we can do in freshwater resources also. Here you can provide the solutions. This will be the basic framework. Now coming to the availability. So availability we have discussed in the question of food security also. Availability means if there is issue of availability means I cannot use that water. Means there is limited resources of fresh water. So this is the thing of availability. Means we are talking of quantity. Talking of accessibility, that means water is available but I am not able to access. So this accessibility issues can be because of various things. It can be because of governance issues or unequal distribution issue, or it can be because of pollution also. That water is available but it is polluted. I cannot use it. So these all things you have to write in your answer.